Welcome back, Poppers. Today is a special day because we are starting a new anime.
Chainsaw Man.
We are starting Chainsaw Man. The reason why we chose this anime is because we posted a poll over there on our Patreon asking which anime we should start next, and Chainsaw Man won, KP.
Yeah. A lot of recommendations.
So if you guys want to be part of the decision making of which anime we watch next, go over there and check it out on the Patreon because that's the only place that you can do that. And if you guys want to see the full reaction for Chainsaw Man, go over there and check it out. It will be on there. And without further ado, KP. Just a disclaimer, we are watching this in the original language. What the heck is going on? The animation is already so good. Dude.
Oh, he lives here.
Look, he got tires and shit.
Oh, whoa.
This is already interesting. He lives in the woods, in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, wow.
月収6万だろ
$60,000 a
この
month.
間売った腎臓が
The kidney I sold.
右目が
Dang, he's selling his body parts.
金玉片方
So
One of his
my
nuts.
残りの借金
And
が
I still owe
3800
Oh my
Damn.
gosh.
38 million? What
Uh.
the heck?
やっぱデビルハン
Devil hunting pays the best.
What the heck is this eyeball thing? Ew.
That's a devil.
Yeah.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね
Gotta be the tomato devil.
種から復活するんで焼いといてください
よくやったデンジ
Dingy.
Denji.
報酬は40万だ
おざっす
から借金と利子引いて17
What the?
Damn. 管
理調整費その他もろもろを抜いて
That is a scam.
It is. Even with 70,000 yen.
Oh no.
他んとこにしてる借金を払うと
Yo, this guy's in serious debt.
もう残り1800円になっちゃった
1,800 yen left.
家に食いもんねえし今月
Last a month? Oh boy.
今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ
Dang, that's sad.
That is sad.
I'll go to Ichiran.
俺たちにしている借金を返させ正確にはあいつの死んだクソ
His dead beats old man's dead.
Oh wow.
ちゃんとしたデビルハンター俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれね
Yakuza.
えデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ
Okay, he listens.
おい犬
Call him a
この
dog.
タバコ食ったら100円やるよ
You asshole.
I know, right?
マジっすかいただきます
And he's gonna do it.
また悪魔が出たら逃げたら豚の餌だ
You know, it seems like he's making a lot of money, but don't have anything.
Yeah, I mean,
He faked it.
これで3日は食えるね
All right. He's a hustler, though.
do what you gotta do, I guess.
普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいまあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の
That's so sad.
Now that is sad.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな
He's living in a shed.
Yeah.
His dog's a freaking chainsaw.
女抱いてから死にてえな
Dang, that's his dream. He just wants a girl.
They can't file bankruptcy?
ガキ物乞いするなり体売るなりして
700.
Whoa.
10万用意しろ
What?
じゃなきゃお前の死体を
Chop you up and sell you.
Whoa!
Oh, hell no. They need to take him out. Is he about to tackle him? It's hurt.
Oh, yikes.
It's bleeding. What was that? What was that vision?
Ouch.
Got like little vampire teeth.
お前を助けてやるから
I help you if you help me.
やっぱ俺も死にたくね
So was that how they met?
Yeah, I guess that's how they met. Now he's using this devil as his weapon.
デビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか
And that's how he became a devil hunter. I know you're watching anime right now, but we have to take a second to talk about today's sponsor, and that's Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku. This month's theme, we are celebrating Osaka and the heritage of Hiroshima.
As we watch these animes, we always see these delicious foods and snacks on the screen that we want to try, but obviously we cannot always just fly to Japan. So Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku makes it super easy because they send the snacks to us
To your
at
doorstep.
your doorstep.
So excited to try these. Like the bag says gold. Before we eat this beautiful Kit Kat,
We have to try a snack we might not try on a daily basis. The snack that I chose is the Kyoho chocolate grape crunch. Interesting combo, right?
and the snack that I choose is this Cola Mochi Bites.
Interesting.
I'm not too excited to try this, but this is new. This is fun, all right? Mine comes with a toothpick where you can eat your mochi bites. Fancy.
Cheers.
That's weird. It tastes like watered down soda,
Does it really?
like cola. It's not too terrible though.
This is so crunchy. This tastes like maybe like a white chocolate wafer cookie. I don't get the grape flavor, but
It sounds super crunchy.
I like the texture. Not bad.
Not bad.
I like it.
Now we get to reward ourselves with these salted caramel Kit Kats.
Whoa, this is like caramel.
Yeah.
It radiates the room.
Cheers.
Okay, let's go.
That's good.
That's really good. It's definitely milk chocolate. You can't go wrong with chocolate and caramel.
In this month's Sakuraku box, we have a surprise.
If you know, Sakuraku is very special for
Handmade like ceramic cups, plates.
handmade goods from locals. This month, we are either going to be getting an indigo plate or a Marquette plate.
So which one do you think we're gonna get?
I love the indigo because it's my favorite color, but the Marquette plate, the pattern is so beautiful. You can't go wrong with either one.
I say
honestly.
we're gonna get the indigo plate. What do you
Okay.
guys say?
Whoa!
Whoa! And we got the indigo plate. Man, this is a beauty right here.
This is, oh yes!
Cue the tea time.
In the tea section of the Sakuraku box, there is a QR code to get the information on the tea that was placed in your box for that special month. So this month, we got Sharon green tea.
Sharon green tea, people. That is beautiful. Movie magic here, guys. We already have the tea brewed. Cheers. Nice, not bad. Kind of smooth. It had a little strong green tea kick, and it kind of smooths out.
I would agree.
Poppers, if you guys want these authentic Japanese snacks right at your doorstep, make sure you check out our link down below and use our code MoonPoppers at checkout to get $5 off your first box. Let's get back into some anime. I'm not like they're like best friends now.
食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食っていいだろ
Sounds sweet.
Oh
What the
no,
hell?
blood.
Why is he spitting up blood? What's wrong?
俺の母ちゃんさ心臓の病気で
Some heart disease that made her cough up blood.
Oh no.
So he must have it too.
悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
Time for work. Dang,
Bro,
already.
this old man be coming out of freaking nowhere.
Right. I wonder why his dad left behind so much dead.
I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out later.
見させてほしいよな
This is a really sad life.
It is. It's interesting though.
見当たらないっすけどどっか隠れたんすかね
You think this is a setup?
It better not be.
デンジよ。俺たちはてめえに感謝してん。
Are you now?
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働く。
That's fucked up.
I know, right?
でも俺は犬は臭くて。
What just happened? He just stabbed him. Oh shit! He killed him.
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
So he's the devil.
悪魔と契約することにした。
So they made a deal with the devil.
Yeah.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
Oh shit!
望むのはデビルハンター。シ
Whoa.
デビルハンターくん、マジこいつらば。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、
So they became zombies.
絵になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。
Yeah. See, it turns them into zombies.
デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。 だから殺しちゃ
So I'm gonna kill you.
Dang.
It's too many of them.
バラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって
Tear him apart and put him in the trash?
Get out of there. Get out of there. 710. Ooh, he's in bad shape.
This really was a setup.
Yeah, those some real zombies right there. Oh shit, it's getting closer. It's getting closer.
No! No!
Ah!
No!
Oh, bro, that's a terrible way to
Oh my
die.
goodness. Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃね
That is messed up.
えとも叶えられねえのかよ
Yo, this is dark.
This is dark. He got freaking murdered to death by zombies.
That's a horrible way to die. Terrible.
It's a terrible way to die. Throw him in the trash for
Literally.
real. Bro, his head is chopped off.
Oh my gosh, he's decapitated. Oh, and the dog's cut in half. Oh, but blood heals him.
Yeah, blood heals him.
But he's in half.
Pochita.
He literally looks like he has not been getting no food.
俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれない
And he's sharing his food with him too.
Yeah.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい落ちたにそれができるんだったら
I want you to have my body. Did you hear that?
Yes.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれない悪魔には死んだ
Some devils can take over the dead bodies.
落ちたにそれができるんだったら
I want you to have my body.
So that's how he become the chainsaw man.
Oh.
墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろこの町を出て
And then what?
普通の暮ら
He
しを
looks
し
so
て
innocent.
Live a normal life.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ
You gotta make my dream come true.
That's sad.
That is.
All he wanted was a normal life.
Look, he's putting his body back together. You see that?
Oh wow.
They really chopped him up into pieces. They fused.
俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだ。
Dude, Pochita really loved him.
Mm-hmm.
私の心臓を代わりにデンジの夢を
I want you to show me your dreams. That's real love right there. That's real love.
That's so sad. Look.
Look,
Oh my gosh.
oh, bro, take them all out.
I'm trying to see this transformation right here.
やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌いみんなそいつ食べちゃって
Guys, go ahead and eat him.
Pull the string.
All right, let's see him transform.
あいつらは十分恵まれてんのに生活を望んだ俺も同じ
So all he had to do is pull that thing on his chest, you think?
Mm-hmm.
じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ悪いことじゃねえけど
He's gonna pull it.
Here we go.
すんなら死ね
Hell yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
It
whoa,
didn't do
whoa.
anything. Bro, are they tearing him apart again?
じゃあ死ぬだろう
Wait. Ain't no way.
They're chomping down on him. Look, what the hell are they pulling out?
Oh, I hear it.
Yeah, the chainsaw. Bro, he's about to slice them all up.
Whoa.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Whoa.
Dude, that's crazy.
What the heck?
Dude, that's insane.
仲間だな
That means you're one
You're
of
one
us.
of us.
Now he's
Holy
a devil now.
crap.
Oh shit.
I cannot believe his arms are chainsaws.
I know, right? And his head.
His head too. Ugh.
Bro.
That's horrible.
It hurts. Oh, don't run now.
Oh yeah, he's trying to protect them.
There's so many of them.
Yeah.
Bro, this is like he's playing like Fruit Ninja.
Literally.
Come on, get him. Oh, hell yeah. Nah, he's slicing through. Got him.
It's over.
Dude. He turned that power up. Sliced him in half.
In half is wild.
Man, that's crazy. So now
They don't
that-
want no part now.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。
they went fully devil.
悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとな。
Yeah, kill them
Yeah,
all.
kill them all. They said it. He said they went fully devil. You never want to go fully devil, all right? Ain't no coming back from that. What guy?
Oh.
Those are probably devil hunters.
先を越されたね。
Someone got here before us. Look at her eyes.
Oh, there he is.
生きてるのがいますね。
Yeah, they're definitely devil hunters. So I wonder if he can change back, right? He can change back.
Yeah, that's what I'm like thinking. Like, how's he gonna snap out of that?
君、変わった匂いがする。
You've got a strange smell.
人でも悪魔でもないに。
So what is he?
これ、君がやったの？
Yep.
Hug me?
抱かす。
Oh, she did. Yo, is this his first interaction with a female?
Yeah, this is his first hug ever. Why is she hugging him though? I'm surprised. It's melting away.
Oh, wow.
It melted away.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性。
ないね。
He's a mixed breed.
こう見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。
I came here to kill the zombie devil.
なんだ。
She seems so nice.
Mm-hmm.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか。
Or I can keep you as a human.
飼うなら、ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
I'll make sure you're fed. Oh my gosh, literally his dreams are coming true.
Yeah, for real.
This is all he's ever wanted.
餌、朝飯はどんなの？
What's for breakfast?
食パンにバターとジャム塗って、サラダ、
Bread with butter
Oh.
and jam.
デザート。
All he wanted was bread and jam.
Yeah.
Yup, love at first sight right there. That's episode 1. Hey, that is good.
That was like,
It's interesting.
it is interesting.
What do you think?
Well, honestly, at first I was a little bit scared. I was like, this seems so sad and evil.
Yeah.
And like the debt that he owes, he was out here selling his body parts, like
Yeah.
only wishing for bread and jam and a normal life. Like that is so sad.
I like the concept though. It like definitely spin. I was not expecting this. You know
No,
what I'm
I was
saying?
not either. But now it's a little bit sad that he doesn't have Pochita. I mean, he has him in his heart,
Yeah,
but
he has his
he
heart.
no longer has.
But the deal was, if Pochita take over his body,
Yeah.
he want him to live out his dreams.
Yeah.
So Pochita wants to see his dreams come true.
Yeah.
That's so heartbreaking.
That's sad.
Like that's real love.
No, that is real love.
He sacrificed himself so he can live his dream.
Yeah.
Wow.
But the corruption of the guy, whoever owns the business,
He's gone now.
from the debt.
Yeah, because he wanted one more power, so he went to the zombie devil, and then zombie devil turned them all into zombies.
Yeah, that was, I don't know.
You don't understand that?
No, so he's dead?
He's dead.
Oh, like he's gone.
He's gone.
Oh,
You see what I'm
he
saying?
probably thought he was going to get some power
He-
and then be able to be like,
Yes.
la 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 la, kill all these hunters, get money.
Yeah.
Okay, well, he was just
And
dumb. That
Denji,
was so
you know,
dumb.
turned into the Chainsaw Man, and then off them all. They're
Yeah.
all gone.
Yeah.
And the hunters came in, and that's where we're at, and we're picking up on episode
Okay.
2. If you guys want to see the full reaction, go ahead and check it out on the Patreon, and
Mm-hmm.
we will see you in an episode 2.
Peace.
Peace. So Denji destroyed the zombie devil and all of those goons that he was working for, the devil hunters,
Right.
which got turned into zombies.
Zombies.
So 3 devil hunters came in, saw him, and they took him. So that's where we're at. And without further ado, let's get started. Bro, she got some crazy eyes.
She does.
What the heck? He's
Oh,
hungry.
he's hungry.
君名前は
デンジっす。
Denji-san.
一つ言っておくねデンジ君はこれから私に代わる
She's
You're
taking
my
him in.
care.
返事ははいかワンいいえなんていう犬はいらない
What the heck?
Oh, I expect
Yes
yes or
or
wolf for answers. I don't need a dog that says no. What?
かワンだけいいえなんていう犬はいらない
What the heck?
That's a wild thing to say.
鑑識課の知り合いから聞いたんだけど安楽死させられるんだ
We
We
put them down.
Oh,
That's fucked up,
dang.
bro.
Denji's
Denji's
just a dog, huh?
He just be getting treated like shit.
ちょっと好きになったのに人を犬扱いし
Treat me like a damn dog.
ポチタ死んだの思い出しちまった
Aw.
パーキングエリアで適当に食べよ
俺金ないんすけど
好きなの言いない私お金出すから
Okay, that's nice.
あと半裸じゃ目立つからこれ着な
She seems so nice, but like,
Yeah.
bro, that niceness fucking scary, bro.
汚ねえくせえと言われ近寄られもしなかったこの俺が初めて優しくされた
Why is he saying it like that?
That looks this good.
好き
I love her.
Shit,
Oh
he
boy,
fell
here
in
we
love with her.
go.
I told you it was love at first sight.
あ俺うどんと
So they got some ramen, corn dogs, okay, sausage,
いいよ私はカレーうどんくだ
a curry udon.
カレーうどんもいいっす
Oh shit!
Oh. Oh.
Fell right in his chest, on her chest.
大丈夫
いい匂い
He smells so good.
飼ってた悪魔が俺の心臓になった俺のためにポチタが死んじまった
That's sad.
Yeah.
その話信じるよ私は特別鼻が利くんだ
She got a good sense of smell.
君の親友は君の中で生きてる
Yeah.
体から人と悪魔二つの匂いがするもん
So
He's a
both.
hybrid.
Yeah.
すげえそりゃすげえ
Oh no, he's about to pass out again.
Oh boy, this guy needs to eat.
For real.
うどん
Udon.
うどん
Dang, that look good.
うどんっていいっすか
一人で食べれる
食べれません
I cannot.
美味しい
What the heck? You really?
君はけなげだね本当に犬み
This is weird.
I know, right?
マキマ
Makima.
好きな男のタイプとかあります
デンジ君みたいな人
I'm into the Denji
Whoa.
type. What? Oh,
Whoa.
really? What?
俺じゃん
Dude, that's me. No way.
For real though?
I don't know, bro. Something's off for her. Something's off.
マキマさんが好きです
デンジ君こっちこっち
Yo, this guy is just like
He's head over heels.
he is.
This is the Tokyo headquarters for the Devil Hunters.
東京には民間も含めて
Over 1,000,
1000人以上もいるけど
including civilians.
福利厚生が一番いいんだよ
Okay, so it's a good job, huh?
一緒に仕事していくうちにそういう関係になってくんじゃねえか
Oh boy.
そういう関係になったそういう行為もできるんじゃ
We can get together.
そういう行為して
He really want to get together.
うちは基本制服だからこれ着替えたら君の同僚に合わせる
Bro needs a shower first.
He does.
He don't know how to tie a tie.
彼の名前は早川明今日は早川くんについていきな
Okay, he's gonna shadow him.
俺マキマさんと一緒に仕事すんじゃないんすかそんなわけないだろ
Ooh, yikes.
You're not even in her league.
君の働きぶりが良ければ
She's gonna tie his tie. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Yo, he's going to be head over heels for her. It's over.
He's already.
だから
This man would do anything for her.
なあ先輩よ
Hey, big man.
で男いんの
That's all he can think about.
His hair, though.
Get your head out the gutter.
なあちょっと来い
Whoa.
Damn.
Oh.
Why'd he
Oh.
do that?
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Why'd he do that? Ain't he smoking a cigarette out there?
Dang. Maybe gotta knock some sense into him, I guess.
お前仕事やめろ
Quit.
明日も来たらまたボコるからな
Show up tomorrow, I'll kick your ass again.
俺の優しさが伝わらないかな
What is the reason?
Is that being nice, huh?
給料だけ見てデビルハンターになったやつ全員悪魔に殺す。
They got them all killed by devils.
生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだ。
Little did you know he'd been doing this his whole life.
マキマさん目当てでデビルハンターになったらピンポーンじゃあ殴って正解だったな。
Oh.
And he spit on him. That's fucking disrespectful.
お前は悪魔にビビって逃げた。
Yo, what's the deal with this guy?
Get up, Denji. Fight back. That's what I'm talking about,
Ooh.
Denji. Hell yeah.
俺は
Damn,
Oh,
again.
wow.
Oh, again. Oh, shit.
It's nuts or nothing.
Holy crap.
俺は今日初めてうどん食ったぜ。
It's sausage, too.
初めて人並みの扱いされて初めて飯食わせてもらった。
Yeah, he's not gonna handle this no more.
Yeah, it's a dream come true. He ain't never had this before.
この生活続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ。
Yeah, you tell him. Oh.
Oh. All right, we're fighting now.
マキマさんはな好きになっていい人間じゃね
Do you want her?
I know, right? Like, do you like her?
え。てめえもマキマさんが好きなんだ。
Yeah, he do. Damn, got him up spitting blood.
お前マジで邪魔
Only aim for my balls. Yeah, he's out. He's out.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に弾を襲われました。
By the nut devil.
こいつの嘘です。
でどう仲良くできそう
No, they can't.
No.
こいつクズですよ。
デンジ君は早川君の舞台に入っ
Who's that?
このチンピラがですか。うちはただでさえめんどくさいのが多いんだ。
Oh, that's his unit.
他じゃ見ないように原的な体勢で動かしてみる
Okay, how?
悪魔になることができるんだ
どうだすげえだろ。
Damn right.
噂半分でしか聞いたことありません。
デンジ君は特別な
He is special.
特別な対応で扱うこと
Receiving special,
Special
treatment.
treatment. Oh, dang.
違反行動があった場合デンジ君悪魔として処分
Oh,
So he's here for the
He-
long term.
yeah, he can't. That means they're gonna off you, bro,
死ぬまで一緒に働こうってこと
until you die.
Dang, this is a lifelong contract.
Yeah.
一緒に住むことになった。どっかに逃げたら殺していいって言われてるからな。
Does he not want to do this no more?
I don't know, maybe that.
ああ、マキマさんって悪い人なの。そう思うなら
That got him thinking.
俺たちはデビルハンターなんだ。じゃあいい人なのか。
Yeah. So she is a good
俺
person.
の命の恩人だ。
Oh, she saved his life too.
マキマさん、もう一回抱きてえな。
He's like, what? You got to hug her?
いちごジャム、梅ジャム、
Ume jam.
バターと蜂蜜。
Yo, who's
Boy,
making this
He's
mess?
going crazy. Look.
パンができちまったぜ。ああ、
Oh my gosh. He's like, what the heck? He's probably like a clean freak.
Yeah.
わーわー。
Oh, he's a little
Yeah.
obnoxious.
He's a clean freak, and then Denji is like, he ain't never had none of this stuff before, so he don't know how to act.
Yeah.
He used all the toilet paper. He's like, I done had enough.
He's gonna lose his mind.
目標の魔人は2階奥の部屋に立てこもっ
早川さん隣の人を新人
Hayakawa.
I gotta see how to say that in English.
なあ。魔人って何？
What's a fiend?
お前、義務教育受けてないのか。
No.
それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。
Oh, probably like that tomato thing.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh.
今回はお前が殺せ。
It controls their personality. You're dead. Damn. Chopped his head off.
Whoa, decapitated.
まあ、俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ。
They get really messed up.
俺もこいつみてえな魔人になってたかもしれねえからな。それでなんか、
That poster.
デビルハンターが悪魔に同情する。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に。
His
Oh.
entire family got killed by devil. I keep wanting to say demon.
Yeah.
悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜ。悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいの。
To him, to Denji, not all devils are bad though.
がいたらなりてえよ。
See?
俺友達いねえもん。
Oh.
その言葉、覚えとくぜ。
But his whole family got killed by them.
Yeah. So he's gonna hate them regardless.
Right.
プッツンさせちゃったよ。本当はエロ本に血つけたくな。
Oh, guy, what you was into?
チートビチって汚れちまうからな。楽に殺してやったんだ。これはもらってくぜ。
He's taking them.
Yeah.
よし。
The porn is secure.
Whoa!
俺もマジでやってるぜポチタ
Poacher sounds like, put that shit down.
Right.
風呂も毎日入れていいもん食え面のいい女も近くに
Hang around a hot chick.
This is peak life for him right now.
But it feels like something's missing.
マキマさんもなんかあんのかマキマさんも
What are you staring at, bro? Yo, what? This show a little dirty. I wasn't
Right.
expecting this.
今のまともな仕事してる俺なら揉めるんじゃね
Maybe I can pull it hot, bro. Don't.
胸なら強い意志と行動力がありゃ揉めるんじゃ
Then maybe.
Not him fantasizing about this.
Yeah.
見つけたぜ俺の本気
Something to be serious about.
So that's his goal.
それは胸だ
Boobs.
今日からバディを組んでも
バディ
Yeah, who's his partner?
小規模任務とか安全のため2人1組で行動することになっ
Oh, who is this?
2-person teams.
ちょ
Oh
うど
my
よかった
gosh. It's
She's
a
here.
girl!
This is not good.
けてね
She's a
彼女は魔
fiend.
人だから
She's a fiend?
おうおうひげ伏せ人間
So she's also a
バディとやらはうぬか
パワー名前パワーつうか魔人なの魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか
So are they the same?
Oh,
my
shit.
gosh.
He changed up real quick.
魔人は悪魔と同じ駆除
Are targets for extermination.
パワーちゃんは理性が高いから
She's highly rational.
公安大麻得意音化は実験的な部隊なのすぐにでも上の方々が
So
Yeah,
she-
so they have
she's-
to be on their A
she's
game.
she's putting together an I can't even say that word right now. Experimental team.
Yeah, yeah.
パワーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること
Can't believe she's a fiend.
Whoa!
早くなんか殺させろわしは血に飢えて
I'm starving for blood. She smacked the shit out of him. Oh no,
Kitty.
don't eat the cat.
理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる問題はどうやって胸を揉むか
He really said I can put up with crazy.
He said, how can I get my hands on those boobs?
わしは魔人になる前は超わしの匂いでザコ悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ
So before she was a fiend, she was a devil?
Yeah.
早川くんに聞きな彼が君たちを組ませたから
やろう俺をはめやがっ
Oh,
He
he
set
set
him
him up.
てて俺を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ
She smells something.
おいおいてめえどこ行け
Dang, his hands are gonna be full with her.
Yeah. But that's gonna teach him how to control himself though.
Yeah, that's true.
To control her.
Whoa.
Damn. Whoa.
Whoa.
She just got slit her wrists and blood came out and turned into a hammer. Oh, this girl's crazy.
Oh, she's nuts.
She's nuts. Look at Denji up there. He's like, oh my gosh.
I mean, hey, like, she smelled that from a distance.
All Denji can think about is
boobs.
Is boobs. But I think this is good that he got stuck with her because it's gonna teach him how to control himself
Yeah,
and make
that's
him,
true.
you know, a better devil hunter. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because she's fucking nuts. She's off the rockers.
Yeah.
For real.
And I mean, he knows that like he was set up and he's trying to get him basically fired.
Yeah. So, all right, poppers. That was episode 2, and we will see you in episode 3. Peace.